So for this, you'll need some aloe vera gel. I use this After Sun aloe vera gel, which is enriched with vitamin E and it is moisturizing for your hands. Next, you'll need some alcohol. The World Health Organization recommends you use 99%, but 60 is the minimum. I'm going to use 2/3 cup of alcohol. Next, I'm going to use 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel, and as you can see, it contains glycerin, which acts as a moisturizing agent. Essential oils are optional. I'm going to use tea tree oil, which is also a disinfectant, and I'm going to use about 5 drops. Use a plastic, metal, or wooden spoon to mix the ingredients together. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a container. I got this container from the Dollar Tree. It was a part of a travel kit. To fill a bigger bottle, I just doubled the ingredients. This was a bottle of hand soap that I rinsed out and removed the label. I used Goo Gone to remove any adhesive that was left.